You have now tuned into another Jess4TV production.
What's up, cousin? Welcome back to my channel. I am Jess, here on Jess4TV, where we are all about providing you with an assortment of video content for your entertainment pleasures, as well as piquing your interests and curiosities while still satisfying your needs and wants about everything that is lifestyle. So guys, today I am back on your screen to show you my quick and easy blowout routine, as well as let you guys in on how I blow it out in the safest way possible to avoid heat damage, and also give you the tea on the products that I use to achieve my blown out look. Alright, so now that we've gotten those formalities out of the way, and if a blowout routine is what you are here to see, then definitely continue to stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am starting off with freshly washed and freshly deep conditioned hair. That is nothing new, nothing unusual. This is how we all should be starting off our hair routines. So currently I am rocking this little hair turban to soak up the remaining water in my hair. I want my hair to be considerably dry, even though I'm going to be putting more heat to dry my hair. I always let my hair towel dry or air dry before I do a blowout routine, just because it cuts down on the drying time and the amount of heat that I put on my hair, and it also reduces the number of passes that I have to do when blowing out my hair. So the products that I'm going to be using to achieve my blown out look, I will start off with my blow dryer. I currently have the Revlon brush, blow dryer brush. I love this brush. I broke one and I had one on deck. This is my holy grail. I absolutely live by this. I basically use it at least twice a month for my blown out styles, or if I am going to do something with my hair. Next, of course, my leave-in. I'm still rocking with my Urban Hydration avocado oil. To seal that in, I'm going to be using the Aunt Jackie's buttercream, and also because it's been a while since I've done any type of protein treatment or anything on my hair, I'm going to be using this Garnier Fructis liquid strength just to add some protein to my hair. I've used this before and I've definitely noticed a considerable difference when not having used a protein treatment in a while. And for heat protected, I'm going to be using the Camp 2 Thermal Shield, which it's almost gone, so I probably need to go re-up on that. And lastly, just because us natural girls, like, we're real sticklers on heat damage. Like, I'm so afraid of heat damage, so I also try to use a second protectant on my hair, and I like to use the Twisted Sisters frizz control and straightening blow drying cream. And I'll also be using a bunch of clips, a detangling brush, and a wide tooth comb. So let's just jump right into this routine. So hopefully my hair is dry enough to my liking. Oh yeah, she's pretty dry. So I'm going to start off by parting my hair into 4 sections, of course. Going to add some leave-in. Then I'm going to go in with the protein liquid strength. I'm just going to use 2 pumps, nothing big, and I'm going to work that into the section and kind of just finger detangle as I go, because I haven't detangled yet. And now I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and detangle and also further work that product in. And next, I'm going to seal that in with the Aunt Jackie's Intensive Moisture Sealant. And from here, I'm going to use my detangler brush, again, to just further work that product in, but to also detangle. Now I'm just going to go in with some of the Twisted Sisters. Not a lot, just enough to coat the strands, but not make it like super greasy either. And then I like to just spray this in my hand instead of over the entire section. Then I'm going to use my wide tooth comb just to make sure it's detangled further. And now I'm going to blow it out. I'm going to go in with my Revlon blow dry brush. I normally always use low heat, and I normally just blow it out until it's really straight and really fluffy. So let's get to it. And that is essentially it for this section. We blow it out until, you know, it's about like this. And I can never like get my roots to completely lay flat, but it definitely works for any type of hair routine that I'm going to do thereafter. So I'm going to continue on to do the other 4 sections. And also, one thing that I failed to mention when using this Revlon brush, please make sure that you hold your hair taut. Don't do it and let the hair go. Like, you have to continue to hold the hair so that, you know, you can make it do what you want to do with the heat from the brush. Normally what I do before I move on to the next section is I'll kind of just give the section that I've blown out just a little tight twist, just to keep it together and to keep it out of the way, and to also just smooth whatever product that I have left on my hands onto the ends of my hair. And yeah, that is essentially it. So I'm going to do the rest of my head and I'll be back once I'm done. Alright guys, so this is the final product. This is my blowout routine. I hope that my routine helps you guys enhance and or add to your routine. From here, you know, you can prep your hair for a protective style. You could do a slick back. You could pull it up in a high bun, high ponytail, whatever. I just feel like blowing out my hair really just helps me to style it better. My hair definitely styles better dry and blown out. If it's wet and curly, it's just not gonna do anything. So yeah, again, this is the final product. This is how I essentially blow out my hair every time. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you did enjoy this video and you found value in it, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't done so already, do me a quick favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because then come on and join the family. This will count as your good deed for the day. If you've been here, done that, thank you so much, cousin. Your good deed is done and has not gone unnoticed. I see you, cousin. I see you. Also, lastly, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss a single upload from me. Thank you guys so much for clicking to watch this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.